jou wil onderkry. Tot hier toe chat, het die Here jou gedra. Ek dink vanmiddag is net die Here wat vir ons tot hier toe gedra het. Waar een en elkeen van ons bevind. You know what today, can you guys remember chat, Sweet 16?
Yes.
Toen was het ook ons, nee, I think the colors was similar, the same. En die Here het nog 3 jaar by sy lewe kom voeg. En toe ek vanoggend ook opstaan, eintlik al Woensdag wat sy het verjaar, so this is his crown birthday today. En ek skryf op my status dat wie, ek dink hy het van my ma gekry, wie sal die hart, nie gekry like how my mother was always speaking, wie sal die hart van 'n moeder ken? And you know what, wanneer jou kind se verjaarsdag is, dan dink jy die pad toe jy pregnant gewees het. You know, it doesn't start when the child is born, but that time when the child was conceived, because already you're going things through. The birth, I don't even want to go there. So this afternoon, it's only grace, Chad, that kept him. Ek het vanoggend hartseer gevoel vir moeders, soos my ma wat in ons midde is, wat hulle kind aan die dood afgestaan het. We can thank God, mommy, that he has kept my 2 sons at this age. I don't know what I would have done if I must lost Chad or whoever on the age of 17. So this afternoon, I want us to salute. Can we stand and we salute our mother this afternoon? Hallelujah. Because why, it is only through the grace of God that she is still standing. Because we are mothers, we are sisters. This is our kids here. Sal ons dit kan maak, kan ons vir ons vra, will we be able to stand so strong like she is standing? En daarom, Chet, al moet jou ma niks het môre om aan te gaan nie. But I want to celebrate my son's birthday. Ek sal my laaste uitgee, because wat Chet, was bly, Vito sê as ons kan net môre loop skool toe, of hy gaan winkel toe, if he will come back. And then we want to give out a lot of money for a funeral. But when it comes to when they're still alive, we want to think and we want to, this is things that came to me. But for the funeral, I must give out a lot of money. How many does a pot of agni cost? But today, when he's still alive, when he's dead, he doesn't see it. But now he sees what his parents is doing for him. So Wolfie said, Chet, we lead by example.